The natural world is full of intriguing organisms that can teach us about our own biology. This is Ciona intestinalis. Ciona is a genus of tunicate, or sea squirt, a marine invertebrate chordate. Chordates are a phylum of animals with a few key characteristics, including a notochord, a flexible rod that supports the body. The vast majority of chordates are vertebrates like us. Tunicates are the closest living relatives of vertebrates. By studying them, we can learn about the complex body plans and nervous systems of animals like us. Adult Ciona are filter feeders that look like a sac. They're immobile once they permanently attach themselves to rocks or other hard surfaces in the ocean during their larval phase. Ciona are commonly found on man-made objects like boats, docks, or buoys. While they respirate and feed, they take in water through their incurrent siphon and expel the filtered water through their excurrent siphon. Tunicates like Ciona have been studied since the early 1900s to understand fundamental mechanisms of embryonic development and anatomical structures. Their larvae develop quickly, completing embryogenesis in about 15 hours at room temperature. This makes them ideal for developmental studies. The transparent embryos are especially great for live imaging. We have well-established ways to genetically manipulate Ciona, and tissue-specific promoters enable all sorts of gene expression studies. So if you're looking for a model organism that you can use to study development, physiology, toxicology, and more, all in a tiny transparent embryo that you can gene edit overnight and assay the next day, give Ciona a try.